Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to build an accurate and reliable clock using ESP32 board without the need of RTC or real-time clock module. Instead, we'll use the power of Wi-Fi and NTP server. NTP stands for Network Time Protocol Server to keep the clock in synchronized with the correct time. Now you might be wondering, why not just use the RTC module? Well, they can be also expensive and require additional wiring and programming. By using ESP32 built-in Wi-Fi capability and connecting to the NTP server, we can easily obtain the current time with minimal hardware and software setup. Let's get started with the hardware setup. For this project, we will need ESP32 board, a 0.96-inch OLED display, or you can also use 1.3-inch OLED display, a few jumper wire, a micro USB cable. I will quickly show you how to connect everything together, and you can find the full wiring diagram in the video description. Next, we will need to write some code to connect the Wi-Fi network and retrieve the time from NTP server. First, I will walk you through the code step by step, and you will find the complete code in the video description as well.
So this is our code. First we have included all necessary libraries. Then this is our screen size and resolution, as we are using 128x64 pixel OLED display, so it is 128 and 64. Thereafter there are few variables. Then this function is responsible for printing the time. We have declared one function print local time, and this one is checking whether it is getting the local time or not. If it is not getting the local time, it will return. So here %a referred to weekday, %b referred to month, y referred to year, h refer to hour, m refer to minute, and s refer to second. So we are printing everything in one shot. So this thing we will get in our serial monitor. Thereafter, this is very important and interesting thing, as in this code we have not declared our SSID and password. We want to create our own SSID and password while our system will run. So we have used this Wi-Fi manager library. So if display is not begin, it will stuck in this infinite loop. Then Wi-Fi mode, first it will be in station mode. As I said to you earlier, it will be in station mode, so it will create their own hotspot and will connect with that hotspot and will configure their SSID and password. So we do not have to do hard coding for setting up new SSID and password for additional user. Then we have initialized our serial communication. Then this is one class WM. This represents Wi-Fi manager. Whenever our phone will connect to that ESP32 for configuring the SSID and password, it can connect in 3 different ways. First, it will directly get auto connected. Second, we have to connect manually. So here you have to give the name of your hotspot or your ESP32 hotspot at station mode. And another thing you can do is you can give their name as well as password. Then again we are checking the condition whether it is connected or not. If it is get connected, then it will print connected and yay. Then we have initialized Wi-Fi begin, and if Wi-Fi is not connected, it will stuck in this infinite loop. If it is connected, it will print connected. Then configuring the time. So this is very important thing I want to show you. Here I have set 19,200. As I stay in India, so India time difference is 5 hours 30 minutes from the GMT. So 5 hour 30 minute equal to 330 minute, and 330 minute in second equal to 19,200 second. So this will give the Indian time. In void loop part, we are printing the local time by calling print local time function. So here first we clear the display, thereafter we set the size. Using display set text size function, we have set the text size. Thereafter we set the color, we set the cursor point, which is 0th row and 0th column, and we are printing the time using display print function. So that's all for the code. Now upload it. While uploading, you need to press the boot button,
showing us the correct time without the need of RTC module. And that's it. By using ESP32 board, a simple OLED display and NTP server, we have created a reliable and accurate clock without the need of RTC module. This project is a great example of the power of Wi-Fi and network protocol. I hope it inspires you to try out new project with the ESP32. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.